Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial I will show you step by step how you can buy Fartcoin. So you can follow my tutorial. So as you can see, Fartcoin is listed on several exchanges, but I suggest you to buy it on Bitget, and I will tell you why. First of all guys, you can sign up and go through KYC on Bitget very easily. It will take maximum 5 minutes, and once you're done you need to deposit money on Bitget. You can deposit money on Bitget with the lowest fees guys. So first of all you need to sign up. You can use my affiliate link which is in the description guys. You need to click this link, and also you will get $10 bonus if you trade more than $50. You will get $10 trading bonus, so you can use my affiliate link. And once you will sign up and go through KYC, then you need to deposit money and have USDT on your balance. So how to buy USDT? You need to go to buy crypto in the top menu and go to, for example, credit or debit card. On the right side, you need to choose the currency you want to deposit, enter the amount of USD you're going to deposit, for example, 100. And as you can see, for 100 USD, you will get 94.45 USDT on your balance. Once you will buy a USDT, then you can buy the Fartcoin. So how to buy Fartcoin? You need to go to the trade in the top menu, and you need to go to the spot. Right here, you see the search bar. In the search bar, type Fartcoin. And as you can see, here is Fartcoin/USDT. You need to go here. And on the right side, you can see here is buy. You need to select buy. You can make a limit order, or you can make a market order if you want to buy instantly, guys. So for example, let's buy it $10 worth of the coins. So let's click buy Fartcoin right here, click confirm, and that's all. We bought this coin, and now we can check our balance. So how to check your balance? You need to go to the wallet in the top right, go to your assets. On the left menu, select spot, and right here when you go to your spot account you will see your balance. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.